Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is another day we get to work on this wonderful Porsche that went from yay to nay, back to yay.
Run and drive.
So we actually drove inside the other room where we do most of the body work. So you guys know it's time to do some body work because we're still waiting for the radiators to come in. We found those online, so those are gonna come in. We would worry about that later. We still got suspension, we can worry about that later. Body work. So body work is the next step that we want to do, and we don't have that much to it. We probably have more time peeling off this wrap than we do body work. So quarter panel should be pretty quick to do. We got the other quarter panel, we got to do a little bit of pulling, but we'll pull that out, should be no problem. Hopefully we don't have to put it on the frame machine, nothing like that. And then we got a little bit of plastic repair we got to do on the bumper, and then a couple little things on the spoiler, and we're ready to primer, and then we can paint it yellow. Right, Michael?
Still not convinced on yellow, Ivan.
I mean, think about it. Gold on yellow wheels would look sick.
Yeah.
Like, that would be beautiful. But I was looking online, you guys, and I went ahead and ordered the GT4 RS kit, I think. I was like, what can make this thing special and pop, you know, before the transmission went bad. So I ordered that. That hopefully will come in today. If that comes in today, that would be sick because we can, you know, mock it up in the front end and make sure everything's looking good. Also, I ordered the GT4 RS spoiler.
Wow, that's spendy.
That was kind of expensive, but I mean, this is a Porsche, Michael. We're gonna make it one of a kind, a custom for somebody like me and you. So we're pretty much, you know, we gotta start working on it, like maybe knock out most of the body work. Hopefully the panels will come in today, that spoiler, so we can like make sure everything's fitting, everything's looking good. Try to make sure we take off that thing off the rear bumper, so make sure the rear bumper doesn't need to be replaced because we don't know yet, it's all wrapped up. So let's go ahead and start wrapping the quarter panel, the rear bumper, the side skirt, and start doing body work.
Yep. Well, it looks like we figured out where the other airbag was for. Got a little door airbag, that's pretty cool. Instead of being in the roof curtain, it's inside the door itself. So we need one of those, but right now basically I'm just taking off the door panel so I could get the handle off, so I could finish taking this apart so I can start some body work on it. But it's coming along, definitely transformation. It's a really nice wrap, really good quality I would say. It's coming off fairly easy, it's really cold. But coming right along. And the bumper turned out nice. Definitely needs some work, but I think we'll be able to restore it.
All right, just like that, we got most of the wrap off. It was actually coming off pretty good. So on this side, it looks like it's been fixed before. Got a little bit of Bondo, a little body filler in there. But we're gonna grind this down. We're gonna try to pull it out with our little dent puller. And then looking here, we got the spoiler off, so this side's looking good. But it's been definitely painted before. You can see the little pinholes. But this side, look at all this Bondo crack. I mean, there's a bunch of Bondo here. We have to refix all of this. And then there's a dent right there, there's a dent right there. This quarter panel has been with body filler. So look at that. That's kind of crazy. But we're gonna have to pull all this out. This should pull out pretty good. The side skirt should have came in already. We have the tail light, so we can work on that. Michael also stripped down the bumper. And the bumper, we're gonna fix it. It's actually not that bad. A couple little things. We'll re-rest it, but let's go ahead and work on this quarter panel one thing at a time. Get all this thing grinded down, get the tie light in there. If that's looking good, we'll start working on the other side. Let's get to it.
All right, so over here, looks like there's been a lot of body work. It kind of went a lot of, and I don't want to keep stripping it because it's actually staying pretty good. And I don't want to open up a can of worms that I don't need. So I got fiberglass resin. This is going to hold really better than what they had, but it's going to work. So we'll see how that turns out. It's going to let that dry. And then we got this one. It's almost dry too. We're going to start sanding it and keep going. So on this side, we probably need to take off this wheel. And then we're going to try to pump jack that from the inside out. Get this quarter panel looking good. And keep working on this. So let's keep working. All right, just like that, we got this knocked out. Pretty nice. It's kind of crazy. This is metal. This is aluminum. It's like a Porsche. I mean a Tesla.
Hybrid.
So that's knocked out. I got this trunk lid, feeling really good. I started working on this thing, and this thing has been repaired before. A lot of Bondo, a lot of body filler in here. So I'm gonna still keep pulling it out, but the good thing is our parts came in. So, you know, we ordered them online, Michael, right?
Yep.
And they came in, so let's go check it out. We got a spoiler, we got this, because I need this thing too. So we got this thing, we got the tail light, and then we got the front end bumper. So I need a fender for that to match up to make the door perfect. So let's check out the parts, because I'm really excited. All right, so here is one of the fenders. At least the packaging is really good.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, we got a metal fender. There we go. Check this out.
So many cutouts.
So this is the GT4 RS with the louvers.
Nice.
This is pretty sick. I mean, it's not fiberglass, something like that, so that's really nice. It's gonna make it look really clean. Hopefully we got our grill.
That's a little insert thing.
I mean,
Looks kind of small.
the box is kind of,
Maybe it's a two-piece.
yeah, it's a two-piece.
Some double-sided tape. Oh yeah, that's the best.
That's the base. See how this looks. Should we paint these to match the car, or?
Probably.
These will look sick yellow.
Or black. Black looks nice. This is definitely the epic one-of-a-kind build, for sure.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
The inside.
This goes like this.
Nice.
The things you can buy online, huh?
Yeah. Money and time. Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Anyways, so whoops,
That's about that.
whoops. But let's go to the car.
Yeah,
Then we'll check out the rest. Let's go check it out.
That's where the gas cap is, and oh yeah, almost done. Perfect.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That's gonna be sick. I mean, we got a little bit of a
Yeah, well, we're jacked up right now, so
Oh yeah. Well, at least I have the fender to do the bodywork for the door, so that's gonna be pretty sweet. Still got a lot to adjust, but that's sick.
really cool.
Okay, let's go check out the
Other parts, got a whole bunch of parts.
side skirt. So
Yeah.
we'll probably do that because we need my body work. and then maybe the spoiler.
Yep. All right, here we go.
Look at this side skirt.
Is it the same?
Yeah.
The insert looked a little different, yeah.
No, we have that cover.
Oh, yeah.
I had to buy those too, Michael.
Dang.
But this one looks just like it's scratched up a little bit. No big deal. We can go ahead and do it like these.
Yeah, did you close the door out? I took that handle off, so take it from the inside.
But at least I have the side skirt so we can pull out this quarter panel because it looks like this one is a little bent. So that's kind of good. It's not scratching anymore. But I have, wow.
Nice and easy.
Chill. No, at least I got the parts for it to continue the body work. Now let's check out the most expensive thing I bought. The spoiler.
Yeah, just for fun. Why not? We'll get that to him. Alright guys, so our box looks like it came straight from China. That's Chinese letters still all over it, but hey, it is what it is. It's still a high dollar. Surprisingly expensive. Ain't nothing to Porsche. But yeah, let's calculate the cost. We literally have more in parts than we do the car itself.
Well, that's a good thing with our parts car, Michael. We sell nothing on it.
That's crazy. Winning bid is $7,800 for the car, and we have over $10,000 in parts already.
Oh, look at this guy.
Hope it's nice. I mean,
Feels like lightweight.
$1,000 spoiler right there.
Ooh.
Carbon fiber.
Is it though?
Is it? It looks carbon fiber from here. Yeah.
I mean,
Oh.
I hope so.
Oh yeah, guys, that's gonna look good. No matter what color you paint it. Carbon fiber wing. Very nice. That's the stand for it.
That's the, oh good, oh see? GT4 RS.
Nice.
Is that what we want that?
So it's gonna go on the side?
How do you do it or what?
Yeah, there's no bolts there.
Oh, these are the
Careful. There's the brackets. That's pretty sick too.
brackets. So let's go ahead and check this out. I don't know if this is illegal, but we are making a GT4 RS. No, but I mean,
Nobody will know. How will they know?
It's available online. You might as well buy it. You know, we had to get a spoiler, and we bought it. You know, we had the GT4 taillights.
We do, yeah.
The GT4 rear bumper already. The guy did it. So, I mean, now we got the front end. We're still the bumper. But we'll probably save the bumper till later. But at least I got stuff, so it looks like I'm gonna have to fix the other holes on that side too. Because these are mounted a little bit differently. But, you guys, this is gonna be sick.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. We hope. I don't know how we're gonna window glue this thing.
I don't even know yet.
I mean, like, with these wheels, I mean, this is kind of crazy, Michael.
It's gonna look cool.
I think that's cool. Look at this fender. Like, now we have to go yellow for sure.
Still not convinced.
You're still not convinced on
Especially
yellow?
with the wheels.
I mean, technically, if we just painted brown, like same color, it would save us so much time.
Yeah, whatever the silver gunmetal.
Right, but then it's like bland.
Yeah, it's already salvage. You might as well make it pop.
I mean, we're this much invested into it. Might as well make it one of a kind and one of a kind. I mean, pearl yellow would be beautiful. But, all right. Anyways, enough looking at these parts. I'm really excited. But let's knock out this body work. We got to get everything primered and call it quits because it's been a long day. So let's get to it. All right guys, so we got the door knocked out, but it's actually the next day. I was messing with this quarter panel. Yeah, so the taillight was going in there, but the gaps were looking bad. So this is definitely more metal warped, so I tried cutting it to maybe shrink it, but we're having an issue with the fitment over there. So we're actually gonna see if we can find another quarter panel, because this is not working out that good as I wanted. So we got everything else with body filler. The body work is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and primer everything, let that sit in primer. Hopefully we can get a quarter panel today or the next day, but let's get everything primered up and we'll see how the body work looks like. All right, Michael, so I got everything primered except this wonderful quarter panel, which definitely needs to be messed with, which I don't want to do with. So the primer looks really good, the door, all the other body damage, I'm definitely happy with it. And then you went ahead and got us a used quarter panel. And this thing's like 20 pounds, 30 pounds.
Kind of weird. He said he went to 3 blades kind of, because some of the steel is like super tough though.
But it has everything we needed. So this I can fix, not a big deal. But it has this pocket, so this has this. So everything kind of to make it a lot easier for me. Which kind of not really happy the way we had to do it. We're gonna have to splice it in right here. Which we've done plenty of those. We've done like the Hellcat, which turned out pretty good. Some other cars, I don't know, we've done it.
Yeah.
I mean, this situation I have to do what I have to do, because finding another quarter panel is gonna take us weeks. This is the only one we found locally, and we had it today, which is like kind of amazing.
Yeah, shout out Smart Auto again, helping us out. Transmission,
flywheel, all this stuff. They're knocking it out. But we got to continue this build because I already got the paint today. And Michael, I'm not gonna tell you what color I got. You gotta stay tuned.
Hopefully not yellow.
You're gonna have to stay tuned. But anyways, guys, leave us a comment down below of the progress that we got so far. It doesn't seem like a lot, but this was a lot
of work, yeah.
A lot of work. Our GT4 RS kit, what do you guys think about it? Do you think it's not cool? Cool. I think it's pretty cool. I'm really excited with the carbon fiber wing, with our half quarter panel, you know, wheels, coilovers. This thing's gonna look sweet. So leave us a comment down below. We'll catch you guys next time.